Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable basic security settings on Binance. So I just tap on my Binance account and you may logged in officially. So I will just move in the top left corner, you will see the Binance logo icon, and now inside you will just tap on the top right corner of gear icon. So just tap on it and inside you will see the security option, and when you tap on it, so after you will just select the second option of security, just tap on it, and next you will see I will just enable my all three options of security, passkey, biometric, and authenticator app, and email address. So you can, how you can enable, so you can also just set a auto log, you will see. So auto log means you can set a timer when your app is logged, for set minutes or immediately. So you can just choose it, you will see there. If you want to never, so just select never. And now go back, and what is a authenticator app? So authenticator app is Google authenticator, which when you logged in, and Binance will be send a 6 digit code on the authenticator app, and you will just copy it. And authenticator app, which is a 30 seconds time, you can copy it and paste it in Binance, and sometimes it will be sent on your email. So go to your email address and copy the verification login code and just paste on Binance, so you may just log in easily. This is the very secure security options in Binance. This is how you can enable. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.